Hello students, today we are going to study prepositions. Rewrite the sentences using correct prepositions. हमें इन sentences को दोबारा लिखना है correct prepositions लगाते हुए. People usually eat dinner under a table. The wrong preposition is used here. When we are writing the sentences with correct preposition, people usually eat dinner on a table. Stand up next an umbrella when it is raining. Open an umbrella when it is raining. The letter B comes for A and C. No, the letter B comes between A and C. I am baking a cake over the oven. No, I am baking a cake in the oven. In these sentences, in, between, open, and on are prepositions. What is a preposition? A preposition is usually a short word placed before a noun in a sentence serving the purpose of linking words grammatically and indicating the position of the connected nouns in terms of place, time, and direction. It is also used to link noun, pronoun, or phrases to the other word within a sentence. Sometimes it may be placed before a gerund. Most prepositions are interchangeable, but in some cases only specific prepositions may be used to show connection between words in a sentence more clearly. All prepositions must be followed by a noun. When we are talking about preposition, सारे preposition किसको follow करने चाहिए? Must be followed किसको? Noun या pronoun से. As they show the positions of the noun. For example, keep the biscuit in the box. It is difficult to go through the narrow tunnel. Come with me. Preposition shows the relation between two things. Second क्या है क्वालिटी? prepositions दो चीज़ों के बीच के में रिलेशन दिखाता है. लाइक द बिस्किट्स आर इन द बॉक्स. बिस्किट्स कहाँ है? बॉक्स के अंदर. द बिस्किट और द बॉक्स ये दो अलग अलग चीज़ें हैं जिनके बीच का रिलेशन हमको प्रीपोजिशन बता रहा है. दैट बिस्किट्स कहाँ है? इन द बॉक्स. इट शोज द रिलेशन बिटवीन द टू नाउन्स, द बिस्किट एंड द बॉक्स. Go up the mountain. In this sentence, it shows the relation between verb and noun. Go is a verb and mountains is a noun. तो किसके बीच में relation दिखा रहा है? Verb और noun के बीच में. He is tall for his age. It shows the relation between adjective and the noun. He is tall. Tall is an adjective और age noun है. तो he is tall for his age. Prepositions are of three types: place, time, and direction. Preposition of place. A preposition of place refers to the position of someone or something in respect to something else, where it lies or it is kept. प्रिपोजिशन ऑफ प्लेस क्या बताता है? पोजीशन बताता है किसी की या किसी चीज़ की कि वो कहाँ पर है या कहाँ रखी हुई है. एट इट इज़ यूज टू डिपिक्ट अ पॉइंट. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, एट हम क्यों यूज़ करते हैं? किसी चीज़ को पॉइंट आउट करने के लिए. मीट मी एट द बस स्टॉप. मुझे मिलो कहाँ पर? बस स्टॉप पर. आ हाउस इज़ लोकेटेड एट द क्रॉसिंग ऑफ 15 and 16 avenues. इन इज़ यूज टू डिपिक्ट अ प्लेस विथ बाउंड्रीज. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, इन क्यों कहाँ यूज़ होता है? उस प्लेस के जहाँ पर जिसके चारों तरफ क्या होगी? बाउंड्रीज होंगी. ही ड्रोव द कैटल इन द शेड. अगर कोई शेड है तो उसके चारों तरफ बाउंड्री होगी. वो कैटल्स को कहाँ ले गया? शेड में. आई हैव क्रिएटेड अ लिटिल पॉन्ड इन माई गार्डन. तो मैंने पॉन्ड बनाया कहाँ पर? गार्डन में. गार्डन की भी बाउंड्रीज होंगी. On is used to depict a surface. For example, the logo was painted on the wall. Surface means किसी भी जगह पर, कोई भी तल पर. The logo was painted on the wings of aircraft. I called to greet my grandfather on his birthday. मैंने अपने ग्रैंडफादर को बुलाया किस पे? मेरी I call to greet my grandfather on his birthday. मैंने अपने ग्रैंडफादर को कॉल किया किस लिए? ग्रीट करने के लिए, उनकी बर्थडे पे, उनको विशेस करने के लिए. सम मोर एग्जाम्पल्स ऑफ प्रिपोजिशंस ऑफ प्लेस आर बिसाइड, अबव, अक्रॉस, आफ्टर, अगेंस्ट, अलोंग, बिलो, बिहाइंड, नेक्स्ट टू, ऑन टू, इन फ्रंट ऑफ, बिटवीन, अमोंग, अपोजिट, एक्सेट्रा. Preposition of time. Preposition of time conveys the idea of time. It is similar to a preposition of place, but it is used in a different way. At is used for specific time. For example, the boss has called a meeting at 9 o'clock. I will surely meet you at lunch. In is used to depict a longer period of time. For example, we had a wonderful time in the summer this year. Man hopes to live on the moon in future. On is used to show specific dates of days. For example, we will light the hand painted lamps on Diwali. By is used to indicate the latest time. For example, be here by 9:30 am. Get the work done by tomorrow. Some more examples of preposition of time are since, for, ago, before, to, past, till, until, from. Prepositions of directions. The preposition of direction depicts the direction or movement of something or someone with a respect to certain things. Around is used to indicate movement in a circular motion. For example, he ran around the park thrice. At night, we danced around the campfire. Across is used to indicate movement from side to side. For example, there is a bridge along the river. My office is located across the Victoria Memorial in Kolkata. From is used to indicate the place where it starts. For example, are you coming from Mumbai? Take a left turn from the park and stop. Some more examples of prepositions of directions are to, against, into, towards, through, between, etc.